So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here today at Sumas River to do some pre-fishing for a tournament we got coming up. We want to see if the fish are biting here today and how many species we can catch. See you soon.
Okay guys, back with On the Hook here, and Ben's getting some bites. Let's see if anything comes of it. The fish have been biting very slow.
The curse of holding the rod.
Yeah, absolutely.
As soon as I picked up the rod, it stopped biting, and I was getting really good bites.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Back down.
Absolutely. Back to the watching the rod again. Okay, guys. Well, we will catch you if we get some more action.
Hey,
back with On the Hook, guys, and here we are. Ben's hooked up. Not sure what he's got.
Pre-fishing.
Yeah, pre-fishing. Yeah, we got a tournament coming up, guys.
And this is exactly one of the species.
One of the species we've been looking for. Absolutely.
Oh wow!
And it's a sucker.
Good hook set. There we go.
And there we go,
nice
guys.
Fish.
And a sucker. We haven't seen a lot of them in the last year, but that's good to see.
Now,
absolutely.
Just for curiosity's sake, I got the tape measure in my pocket. If you'll cooperate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna build a little. Huh?
Right to the end of the
tail.
Schnoz, you got it, yeah.
Yeah. 13 and a half.
13 and a half. Look at that, guys.
Not bad.
Yeah.
One last shot of him.
Nice to see.
All right. See you later, buds.
And off he goes. Yeehaw.
Okay.
Okay, guys, we will catch you on the next fish. Hopefully we'll get more of those. Talk to you soon. Alright, guys. Ben just got a couple of really nice bites, but we seem to be getting the typical winter one tap and run type thing. So he might come back, he might not.
You might have taken my worm.
Quite possible. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh. Well, anyway, guys. Oh, there's something going on there. I don't know what to make of it, but yeah, Ben's gonna pull it away from the fish here, so.
Hey!
That was fun. Sorry, guys. And yeah, a miss.
Took my worm.
Took his worm. Oh, typical.
Bites crazy and they take the worms.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, guys, catch you again soon.
Yeah, that looked like there was a surface out there, folks. I was getting bites, so I'm hoping to catch a fish here. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh. Alrighty, folks, we'll see you soon. Dean's getting a bite here, folks. Back up here, see if I can get the whole setting of this hook. We've been getting bites consistently. There's nothing sticking today. Got the one fish. See if Dean can get this fish, or if it stole his worm and swam off. Yeah, this has been happening to us a lot lately today. Or a lot today and lately. You get the bite, and then the fish disappears. Oh. But I'm gonna check my rod and recast. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah? Nice. Oh, Dean got left a little nub. So, hopefully we can land a fish here before it gets dark. At least the fish are biting. Alright folks, we'll see you soon. Dean was getting some sort of attention on his line. Probably a snag. Oh no, there was a tree floating down the river. Yeah. And he did have Dean Cat.
Yeah, did have my line.
Alright. We'll see. Oh, something just surfaced right there. Bubbles. Okay. Looked like a carp. I'm going to recast here folks and we'll see you soon.
Did you get him?
No.
Ah, sucky.
Wait, there is something there.
Is there?
Yeah. Oh, I lost it right there. Oh man.
Talk about bad luck today. Well guys, it's been one fish. It's been one bite after another, but we got one fish. I am so sad because I got skunked. But I'm still getting bites at the last second here. Yeah, if you had ran just a minute earlier, you might have got that one.
Yeah.
Holy smokes. Anyway, guys, yeah, we were talking to a viewer, and Ben's rod just starts going crazy, eh? We will catch you on the next one, guys. We're probably only going to be here for a few more minutes, and then we're done. So anyway, guys, catch you soon.
Alrighty, folks, we are done for the night. It got dark on us pretty quick. Yeah, we will see you on the next one. Click like and subscribe. Check out some of our older videos. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Back with On the Hook here. We're at Sumas River again this morning. We've been getting bites here, so we're hoping for some big fish today. I switched rods. I'm now using my 8-foot light action ugly stick with my Wish reel. Pretty sure it's a 6,000 size with 10-pound test line on. So I'm hoping for a good long fight. We'll see what happens. But Dean's using his ultralight again. Yeah, loves
Shakespeare combo, ultralight, 6-pound test. Just a blast to catch fish on it.
Yeah, it's 8:50 in the morning. This is the earliest we've come out in a long time for fishing trip. People always say the early morning bite's the best, but we have yet to prove that one. Oh,
that looked like something.
That looked like something indeed. Yeah, last time we were here, we caught a nice little sucker. Smallest sucker that we've caught out of here, matter of fact. But hopefully we can catch something different today. Dean's getting some attention here. Just give me a sec, folks. I want to try to zoom in. Stop trying to focus. There we go. Alrighty folks, we'll see you soon. Back on the hook here, Dean's been getting bites. We've been seeing fish moving, bubbles and good swirls, but nothing's sticking so far this morning. It's just after 10 now. There's a cast. There we go. See you soon, folks. Dean's hooked up to a fish here, back with on the hook. It looks like a good fish. It was a solid take.
Big fish.
Big fish?
Yeah.
Carp?
I believe so.
You think it's carp?
Yep.
I think it's carp. We were hoping for carp. Oh, look at that fish. I got the net ready. I'm gonna, whoa! Don't want to fall in. Don't want to fall in.
Oh,
look at that. Look at that.
Line.
Oh, it's not a carp.
No.
No, that's something different.
I don't know what that is.
That's something different. That's not a carp.
That's a sucker, big sucker.
No, Pikeminnow.
It's a Pikeminnow.
Yeah, wow, huge Pikeminnow.
Holy
that's
smokes.
up. Here, take the camera.
Yeah.
I'll get the fish up.
Holy smokes.
That's almost scale worthy.
Holy smokes, that is a big Pikeminnow.
That circle hook did the trick, corner of the mouth. Check that Pikeminnow out, folks.
Wow, that is a big Pikeminnow.
About 2 pounds.
Yeah, looks it, yeah. Nice. Well, holy crap.
Good fish.
He really took hard.
That's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, it's about 2 pounds, I'd say.
Okay, hold on here, I'm gonna...
What's the English name?
Northern Pikeminnow.
Pikeminnow.
Yeah. Are you recording, Gundy?
I'm recording again.
Okay, just for curiosity's sake.
You're gonna scale them?
No, measure them instead.
Measure them, okay. Great plan.
Enough.
17 and a half. Yeah. 17 and a half.
18, Ben. It's closer to 18.
Yeah?
Unless you're going at the...
No, it is 18.
Yeah. Nice.
Wow, that'd be a good...
Nice.
That'd be a good derby fish.
Good one for the derby fish, yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, watch your step, man.
Take care.
And there he goes.
See you later, buddy.
Well, that was a fun fish, guys. Hopefully we'll get a few more of those. Nice to see. Right on. Okay, guys, catch you on the next fish.
Dean just got some really good bites here. I'm gonna get the net ready. Let's see what happens here.
That was a pretty aggressive attack there.
Yeah. Another big Pikeminnow, maybe?
It's going to look like another big one. Yeah.
Constantly seeing bubbles. Constantly. But, they're not too interested. Yeah.
Tank blasted.
Mm-hmm. Still got his worm. Alright. Haven't really been getting too many bites since I switched. Casting way over there. Right in the middle of the screen, there's that fallen tree. I've been casting on the right of it, hoping for a fish. Dean's right there. Hopefully we can pull off another fish here. See you soon, folks. Back with On the Hook here, folks. Dean's getting bites again. Figured I might videotape the bite for you. See if you can hook up to this fish. Still your one.
Yeah, don't you say blasphemy. Oh, where are you going?
Yeah.
You stay here and catch me fish.
There's the rod again. Huh? Yeah. Maybe he'll come back.
Maybe looking for one.
We'll see you soon, folks. Back here with On the Hook, guys. I just had a few good bites, and I'm hoping it comes back. I was gonna recast Dean's rod, and then I saw my line get a bite, so I'll give it a minute. He's reeling into his rod, or should I say pole.
I knew they cleaned me.
Dean's cleaned. And I'm gonna check mine here, folks. So we will see you back shortly.
Alright guys, Ben was getting a few taps. He thinks there might be a fish there, but yeah, it's been a lot of tap and then go. So hopefully we'll get something soon. It's been a long, slow day, but hopefully we'll get another one before the day's out. We might go and get a coffee and come back, but
or try a different spot.
Or try a different spot. Yeah, you never know.
I think maybe we go to McDonald's.
Possibly, yeah. Okay. Well, anyway, guys, we'll see you when we figure out what we're doing.
Dean just got a really good bite here, folks. We're back with On the Hook. Gotta hope we can catch a fish. Gotta go to the other side because the sun's right in the camera here, folks. There we go. Let's hope this fish continues. The bite's been extremely slow today. We've had one fish on the bank all day long. We've been trying to be patient. We've seen fish moving like crazy. Up and down, we're watching the bubbles go, and here and there we'll get a good bite, but nothing's sticking. Hopefully we can catch a fish here soon, folks. But we'll catch you soon. There's always got to be some loud noise while we're trying to film.
Okay, guys. Anyway, we decided to come out and do some fishing here at Sumas because we know it's a multi-species place. Just never-ending list of fish in this place. And we are in a tournament for the whole month of February. And we know this place produces some bigger fish, and some days it can be really good, some days not so good. But we're going to be probably doing a little bit more time here during the tournament, but for now it's still pretty slow. We spent a couple hours yesterday here, and Ben picked up a sucker fish, and today I picked up a really large Pikeminnow. But we went out to have some lunch, we came back, and the bite just completely died on us. So
I had one fish on.
Ben had a fish on, that's true, yeah, absolutely.
Didn't get the camera out on time.
Yeah, didn't get the camera out on time, and then he lost it before I had a chance to even get out of the truck. It was a slow day. We got bites, and we, continued to get bites, but it's like a one tap and they're done, eh? So, anyway, guys, if we don't catch anything else, we shall catch you on the next episode. Please click the like and subscribe. We appreciate it if you will. Thanks. Have a good one, guys.